How to make someone administrator on Discord. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Discord application on your device and then open the server where you want to make someone admin. Now, if you have not created the role for admin yet, then tap on the server drop-down you see on top and then tap on the server settings option you see there. Now, under the people tab, tap on the roles option. Further, tap on the search roles tab and type in admin and then tap on the create role option. Now, type in admin again under the role name text box and finally tap on the Save Changes button at the bottom in order to save the changes you made. Now go back to your server and on the right side toolbar you will see the members in your server. Tap on the member whom you want to make admin and now tap on the add role option and then select the admin option, and with this the admin will be made. So, this is how you can make someone administrator on Discord. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.